In 2002, we were approached by a number of healthcare providers in Vallejo to come and provide services in that community. There was a community health center there that was really struggling, and we were asked to step in and help manage the clinic. We obviously were able to do that and have been there now very successfully for the last 15 years.
We have, I believe it is 5 service sites now within the city of Vallejo, including medical services and primary care like we serve here, also dental and optical services, as well as a prenatal specific site.
La Clínica helped me with my pregnancy from the very beginning to the end. When I first found out I was pregnant, that was a huge deal. This is my first child. I didn't know what to do and where to go. They helped me from beginning to end with extra services, and I couldn't be more grateful for all the staff.
The other day, if this clinic would have been here, I probably would have died. I had a pacemaker put in, and they're great people, and they're here to help.
Hi.
Hi.
I have an appointment with Dr. Stinger.
And what time?
We take all types of insurance. Many of our patients have private insurance or Medicare, and more importantly, we also see patients who do not have any source of insurance, and that has been an absolutely instrumental role in this community where there is actually nowhere else to go if you do not have insurance.
We don't refuse care to anybody regardless of the inability to pay. We offer sliding fee scale for those who have income and may not have insurance.
I had my own business as a landscaper, and I didn't really have insurance. And the Clínica took me, and I've been coming in with broken foot, broken fingers, and now I came in with the ultimate, and that's a congested heart failure. My life has changed thanks to the Clínica. They're like a family to me. And this is one family I don't mind being part of, because they saved my life.
La Clínica is the only community health center in Vallejo. And yet, Vallejo has one of the highest number of seniors. It has some of the highest poverty levels. And the need for a community health center that's based in the community, that's providing accessible, comprehensive services is very, very great.
Without us, there would be tens of thousands of patients without somewhere else to go. And so we're absolutely a critical service to our patients for their just basic healthcare needs, keeping them healthy, keeping them out of emergency rooms, out of hospitals.
La Clínica has made the hugest difference in my life. I mean, this is what they helped me produce here. I just couldn't honestly ask for anything more out of my whole journey of being pregnant.
Ever since 2014 and the Affordable Care Act, it has been absolutely clear that there is a much bigger need here than we are currently filling. There are thousands of patients trying to get into our clinic, and it has been very clear that expansion would be a huge service to our community. We're incredibly excited to have this opportunity to move into bigger space where we'll be able to increase the number of providers and therefore really increase the number of patients we're going to be seeing.
We purchased a building up the street here on Georgia Street in downtown Vallejo, and it's going to allow us to basically double our size, our capacity to serve more of the community.
We hire from the community, and that means that the people that we hire spend their money in the restaurants, in the businesses that surround our clinic, and that's all economic development. That's about making healthy communities.
The Georgia Strip down there has been depressed for years, and currently there are some small boutiques and little restaurants that are trying to bring life back to the city. But the foot traffic that the clinic will draw, both from the employees and the patients, will do nothing but help to revitalize the downtown area.
I genuinely believe that this expansion project is good for the health of our city here, for Vallejo. We are taking care of so many people here, but there are so many more people who need us, and we want to be able to do that.
La Clínica is making a big commitment to Vallejo. We think we have the opportunity to create a premier health institution that is really going to be owned by the community in response to community need. And that's a win-win.
I would say support La Clínica, If I had the money, I would too, because they saved my life.